allowed and the improved decision-making process of the bid evaluation committee leading to the rejection of the bid of the petitioner number 1 dated so-and-so is set aside. Consequently, the financial bid of the petitioner number 1 is required to be considered and the work be allotted to the L1 bidder in accordance with law. Original records are handed back.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, this petition couldn't be filed yesterday, so it has been filed only today morning. Now, I am not pressing, since tomorrow is also holiday. In all fairness, I am not pressing it for being heard today, but since I am coming from outside, I humbly request your Lordship to fix it for either 29th or 5th.
Motion matter.
Yeah, mentioning kar rahe hain,
Is it a motion matter, fresh matter?
Fresh matter, Your Lordship.
Whenever you want.
Your Lordship, 29th or 5th, whatever is convenient to your Lordship.
29th is a holiday, I think.
29th, then 5th, Your Lordship.
29th is a Sunday.
Just a minute, Your Lordship. 29th is Monday, Your Lordship.
Or 29th Monday, okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We can have it on 29th.
Just kindly fix it for 29th, Your Lordship, so I'll come again. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Lord, I understand this case your Lordship has fixed on 29th.
Yes.
Because the rule is under challenge. So matter is to be taken up by the division bench.
Yes. Okay. Three, PK Tiwari Learned Senior Counsel submits that the instant writ petition ought to be placed before the division bench as the vires of a particular rule is under challenge. Full stop. Para. Raise to verify and list before the appropriate bench. You want a date?
29th, my lord.
On Monday.
In fact, the Lordship has already fixed this case on 29th.
Why is it listed?
I don't know, possibly wrongly it is listed. On which day? Yesterday, my lord, I was told. My lord had passed the order on 24th. Don't know whether order is reflected there.
Oh, it's 29. Good. You're correct.
Yes.
24-1.
Yes, order was passed. Wrongly listed.
Not I can do. 29th of the also. Division bench. Speaker Renan Siri Gonzalez submit last comment. He further submits that that there is already an order in this regard passed by this court on 24-1-2024.
My lord, this is a petition claiming solation, my lord. Yesterday also we had one case.
Compensation has been paid?
Paid, yes.
Okay. Kali Maricela na ito? Maricela na yung face to me. Heard Sri S. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioners. Full stop. One petitioner or more petitioners?
Only one.
Petitioner. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to non-payment of solatium pursuant to a land acquisition proceeding. Full stop. It is submitted that though the compensation as such has been paid, comma, the solatium has not been paid. Full stop. The acquisition was made under the Right to Fair Compensation So-and-so Act 2013, vide a notification dated 23/2014. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3, who's there? Land Management 3, D. Kamduk, Learned Standing Council Land Management accepts notice on behalf of Resolution number 1.
Yes, sir.
Whereas 3, R.H. Nabam, Learned AAG for Response number 2.
Yes.
3, Union of India, M. Kato, Deputy SGI for Response number 3. And National Highway Infrastructure?
No, they are all instantly calculated.
Development Corporation, this is Union of India.
No, no, it's
My lord, related with the undertaking, my lord.
undertaking.
They have separate counsel they have.
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
My lord, case to case, they are engaging, my lord.
Okay. A notice, extra copies, huh? A notice upon respondent number 4 be issued by registered post with AD. Steps within 3 days.
Within 1 week, my lord. Please.
Why?
My lord,
Within
suppose
3 working days.
working,
3 working
Sunday,
days.
Sunday, Monday is also, Sunday, Saturday is also
3
there.
working days.
3 working days, all right.
My lord, notice is returnable matter for weeks.
6 weeks.
6 weeks. 6 weeks.
All right.
Yes, madam.
My lord, the petitioner is aggrieved by the termination order, your lordship.
As MTS,
Yes. He wa-
same matter.
Same matter. He was working, he was appointed on compassionate grounds.
Okay. That, madam, initial appointment was fake or what?
My lordship, in this, education department is there.
Education department.
Tagum service in Adeto.
Titagum is there. Will issue notice.
Yes, your lordship.
Heard. Miss D. Tamuk, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by an order dated
16/11/2020.
16 11/2023, whereby her services as an MTS has been terminated. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner was appointed on compassionate ground in the year 2021. Full stop. Para. What? Fake appointment?
My lord.
Fake appointment?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Para. Sri T. Tagum, Learned Standing Council, Education Department, however, submits that the initial appointment of the petitioner was not done in accordance with law. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Full stop. Sri Tagum, the Learned Standing Council, Education Department accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas Ms. Wangmo, the Learned State Council, accepts for respondent number 5, extra copies within 3 working days.
Obliged, your lordship.
Mr. Pulkasta, for what?
My lord, item number 4, my lord, I appear on behalf of respondent.
Content matter.
It was complied with, my lord.
May I please, your lordship, the order dated.
Has it been
22
complied?
Yes, your lordship. that has
We close
violated-
this then.
Yes, yes. Lordship, I have it.
Heard Sri A.K. Singh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri A.K. Purkasta, Learned Counsel for
All the respondents.
all the respondents, full stop. The present petition was filed alleging non-compliance of an order dated 22/4/2021 passed by this court in WPC 596 AP 2018, as well as the order dated 30/11/2021 passed in IA 144 AP 2021, full stop para. This court has, however, been informed that during the pendency of this petition, comma, the said order has been complied with. However, the Sri Purkasta, Learned Counsel for the respondents, has informed this court, huh? That
Yes.
is- So the aforesaid submission is endorsed by Sri A.K. Singh, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, full stop para. In view of the above, comma, this court is of the view that this proceeding, this contempt case is not required to be proceeded any further, and accordingly, the same is closed.
Much obliged.
My lord, in this case, my lord, as per the last order, my lord, some endeavor we made for final disposal. The matter relates to, my lord, ex gratia compensation, my lord, claimed by the my lord, legal heirs of the deceased government employee who was a member of, my lord.
My lord, before my learned senior
Hmm.
proceeds, my lord, in this, although we have filed affidavit on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner, we will be requiring the affidavit of the Commissioner home, my lord. Because the recommendation was already in favor of the petitioner and it is pending before the
Commissioner.
Commissioner.
So
Second,
get his response, get his,
yes, my lord.
but he's come from outside, so you would have filed the, Mr. Purkasta, we agree on a date, we'll
My lord, Lordship,
have a date of your
my lord,
convenience,
Lordship, 15th of March.
15th of March.
By that time, they will. file.
Heard Sri A.K. Purkasta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri Mr. Ratan and Mr. Tagu for whom?
For 11.
Also heard Sri N. Ratan, learned AAG, Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. Sri T. Tagum is present for the respondent by 11, full stop. Para. Though there was an observation of this court in its order dated 21/12/2023 that an endeavor would be made to hear this matter at the admission stage, comma. Sri Ratan, the learned state council has submitted that the stand of the commissioner, comma, home would be necessary. And therefore he prays for some time to file an affidavit in opposition on his behalf. Full stop, para. Considering the above, comma, and as agreed to by the parties, the matter is adjourned to enable filing of such affidavit in opposition and be listed on 15th of March
And also
2020.
kindly observe that, my lord, respondent number 7 already filed affidavit.
That is okay.
My lord.
Always.
May I play, my lord? My lord?
Yes, you are missing in action.
Yes, I
What
was,
is-
out of station. Yes, my lord. My lord, this is a contempt petition, my lord. Your
Listed
lordship
for
was,
the first time. Is it listed for the first time? No.
no, this is for,
Notice has gone. You have appeared.
My
yeah,
lord.
they have appeared.
In fact, my lord, we have already filed affidavit. My lord, as part of my lord, the message conveyed by the concerned department, my lord, we are ready to deposit the amount within short period, my lord.
You deposit, then we'll close. Before you deposit, you cannot close.
Yes, yes, my lord. So let them, in
Let them
fact, the
deposit first.
money is with them. The
Okay,
gov-
heard
gov-
Sri Asma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop, para. Sri M. Kato, learned counsel appearing for the respondents, has however submitted that
My lord, only for the respondent number 1, my lord.
respondent one has submitted that the process is on for release of the amount in question, full stop, para. In view of the aforesaid submission, comma, and in the interest of justice, the matter is adjourned by 1 month.
No, my lord. In fact, they have own minors of meeting. They were supposed to deposit in the month of 24th October, but they have not deposited in the month of October. And now they have a meeting with the chief secretary. As for the chief secretary and the secretary, they have agreed to pay in the month of January, but then they have not yet deposited. But otherwise, money has been already approved. Government also have approved, and then the writ petition also dismissed. my lord.
Isn't the process, huh? Isn't the process.
My lord, by Monday, my lord, will deposit.
Monday, my lord.
Okay. Full stop, para. Since it transpires that the amount in question was to be deposited, since it transpires that initially the amount was to be deposited by October 2023, which was thereafter extended till January 2024, comma, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. So, on which date, comma, Sri Kato would apprise the court regarding the status of the deposit made, full stop, para. In absence, on the failure to make such deposit, comma, this court may be constrained to pass appropriate orders.
Obliged.
Deposit.
2 weeks we are giving, safe time, have it done.
My lord. My lord, our endeavor is by Monday, my lord, will deposit. My lord.
Very good.
Obliged.
Deposit.
Item number 8 and 9, just a minute.
Yes.
Item number, oh, sorry.
Well, 8 is also, my lord, is a contempt matter, but then this matter, appeal has been filed in the Supreme Court, so this matter is pending in the Supreme Court.
Eight is not contempt, eight is the writ petition.
Item number
Oh, sorry.
eight, my lord, in terms of,
Okay, sorry, it is not mine.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Three
Item number
councils
eight,
are rushing, eight is very important matter over.
yes, my lord.
Mr. Tiwari was there, then Purkasta, then Mao. Who else? Everyone wants to do. item
Everyone's
number eight.
confused, my lord, in terms of last order dated 21/12/2023.
Yes.
We have been directed to take step by those mode of justice settlement.
Hmm.
Accordingly, we took steps and file affidavit.
You filed affidavit?
Yes,
Okay.
on
15.
3rd of January 2022. 24. 3rd January,
Third Sri A.K. Purkasta, Senate Counsel for the petitioner, who submits that steps by the state DAS has been taken upon the respondent number 15, and an affidavit has been filed in this regard on 23/1/2024. Full stop. Peruse the same. Full stop. Service
in
upon
respect of my lord, kindly, my lord, in respect of 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 21, 28.
that we know. And we'll only assume for 15 now. What about the others?
Others may already they appeared, my lord.
They've appeared.
Yes.
क्या क्लास में? No, last line. In this regard, over here. In view of the, in view of the, on perusal of the said affidavit, comma, service upon respondent number 15 is held to be complete, full stop. The other, this court has been informed that the other respondents have entered appearance through counsel, full stop, Sarah. List for admission. It will come for admission?
Yes, my lord.
Admission, when?
Around 15th of March.
15th of March.
Pleadings are not complete.
You file admission, till, by that time, comma, the respondents may file their affidavits.
Yes. Oblast.
My lord, the item number 9 is IA. It is for leave to amend the writ petition. The proposed amendments are in para 4.1 to 4.3. 4.1 to 4.3.
Yes, you have anything to say?
Objection.
You'll file objection?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Well,
Will change the entire.
this is the entire, my lord, nature of the case, my lord. Now they are challenging the rule, my
Okay,
lord.
okay, we'll file your objection. If you want, you could have, if you would have exceeded, then we'd have passed order.
Very well.
Third certificate, you are let us in a council. For
My
the
lord,
applicant petitioner.
My humble submission, my lord. The very intention, my lord, the filing this IA, my lord.
No, you'll file your objection. We're
My lord-
giving you time.
Yeah, my lord, my humble submission, addition to that, my lord, I would pray, my lord, they will surely, my lord, pray for extent of interim order, my lord. That is the very intention number of filing this IA, my lord. Stay order is there in the writ petition, my lord.
See, we cannot prevent somebody from filing an application.
Yes, my lord.
And we cannot prevent you from having the liberty of filing an objection.
My lord,
And to balance the equities, we might have to extend the interim, which we are doing. But if you can make out that this attempt was not bona fide, then we can take
Yes, my lord.
pass consequential orders later on.
my lord, my humble submission, my lord, my lord, give me 5 minutes, my lord. 5 minutes, my lord. What happened?
We're not even giving 1 minute because you're not hearing. If you're making a submission, we'll hear Mr. Tiwari and pass appropriate orders.
My lord.
We are giving you time to file a objection.
My lord,
On your
my-
request,
in-
if
insist
you
on my,
want to submit, we'll hear Mr. Tiwari, we'll hear you and file appropriate order in the IA.
my lord,
Are you ready for that?
yes, my lord.
Then, okay. See, you're losing your chance to file your objection.
My lord, I'll submit by will.
Let me give my back. Now, my lord, during the pendency,
We are making again clear, will not accede to your request for filing objection later on. Okay. What is the writ petition about?
The writ petition, my lord, that's why I'm just coming to. Yes. It's for amendment only. In fact, we are not claiming any relief against you. No relief against you. My lord, the
You're challenging the recommendation of a board.
we are not challenging the recommendation of the board. We are seeking implementation of the recommendation of the board. That is number one. In fact, my lord, the interim order which was passed by this honorable court is fairly exhaustive, and my arguments have been reflected there. The interim order of Justice Robin Foucault. Now, my lord, what happened was during the pendency of the writ petition, in fact, after the interim order of the honorable court, the rule was amended. Now, the nature of amendment which came into the rule, in fact, favors our argument. But the difficulty arises, the Rule 5, amended Rule 5, prima facie appears contradictory to Rule 50. The Rule 15 is against me. Rule 5 is in my favor. The two rules, if we put together, conflict arises. So, my lord, by way of this amendment petition, the basic thrust of the argument is Rule 15 has to be read in sync with the Rule 5. If we do not read Rule 15 in sync with the Rule 5, the net result is the Rule 15, my lord, will be contrary to the very mandate of Article 14 and 16.
By the amendment, Rule 5 has been changed.
Rule 5 has been brought in. Rule 5(1)(c) has been brought in under
5(1)(c).
23 amendment. Yes.
5(1)(c). And you say that this 5(1)(c) may be construed to be in your favor.
This amended rule, in fact, favors us.
That is it.
This is our prayer, in fact, the basic thrust. But the Rule 15 is contrary. Rule 15 speaks contrary to what the Rule 5 says.
Okay, now what is your, what is the amendment you are seeking?
The nature of amendment number 1, my lord, we are now assailing the legality of Rule 15.
Initially, what was the challenge?
Initially, my lord, the relief, that's why, my lord, the writ petition now, my lord, will find. I'm taking the writ petition. Where it is? Not this. Oh, where is my, they have mixed up. Yes, sorry. Now, lordship will take WPC 405.
Yes, 405. We are
405. Now, I will just mention a couple of prayers. The prayer number 3, my lord, will see.
Yes.
Writ in nature of certiorari or any other such appropriate writ should not be issued, setting aside, quashing, impugned letter number such and such, under Secretary Home conveying approval of proposal for common cadre of Arunachal Pradesh Police with prospective effect. This common cadre, my lord, is the outcome of Rule 15. The common cadre which they are trying to bring in.
Now, if you are trying to challenge the question the vires of 15,
Yes.
Aren't you required to do in a separate petition?
My lord, in fact, the prayer which I am making
Because see, there
my lord, there
is a connotation because this matter, the jurisdiction of the single bench may be, we may not be competent to decide the
But my lord, the nature of reliefs that we sought for, my lord, originally in the WPC 405 itself, for giving this relief to us, the Rule 15 in any case would have been read down. This was in fact, this was the basic thrust. But my lord, what happened was,
even to read down a rule, I think it should go before the DB.
my lord, finally it would have gone. But my lord, the basic, another aspect was the recommendations of the board were precisely contrary to what the Rule 15 had said. That was the difficulty. The recommendation of the board were to the contrary, and recommendation of the board were in our favor.
I think the best, I'm just suggesting, the ideal course would be to file independent petition. We can give you the liberty during dependency of this, and that petition may go before the appropriate branch, and the appropriate branch can also have this petition
My lord,
for
there
a
are
chronological hearing.
My lord, I'll just explain one thing. My lord had seen the petition, the item number 1. Now, my lord, there are two categories of petitioners. So far as item number 1 is concerned, today the case came up and that matter is fixed on 29th. In item number 1, my lord, the petitioners are those very people whose names do not appear.
Oh, you
In
have
the
already
list-
filed.
Yes, one petition is already there.
You do one thing, you will have this before the division bench on Monday.
Yes, my lord, all these cases can be taken up by the division
Monday.
bench on 29th,
That can be made. That's why,
including this also.
that's why I pray, my lord, interim, as my single intention to extend, my lord. That's the very intention, my lord. My lord, my senior counsel, no, my lord, this is matter of division based, my lord.
Okay, heard.
But then they,
Okay, okay.
Uh-huh.
Heard 3 PK your 11th senior council. वहाँ जाता है ये उसी की होता है मैं hearing को होता है But Mr. Parme, for whom?
My lord, I am, my lord, for rest.
Private respondent.
Private respondent, my lord.
And madam for?
1 to 4.
You should be here. Why did you go? Heard 3 PK Tiwari Learned Senior Counsel for the applicant of liquid petitioners who by means of this application has prayed for leave to amend the writ petition. Full stop. It is submitted that during the pendency of this writ petition, comma,
And after the interim order of the honorable court.
during the pendency of the writ petition in which an interim order is in operation, comma, an amendment has been brought in the rules by insertion of Rule 5 within bracket 1 within bracket C. Full stop. It is submitted that there would be an occasion of this court to deal with the amended provision vis-a-vis Rule 15,
Yes.
which according to the senior counsel would lead to a contrary situation.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. It is further, this court has further been informed that a separate writ petition has in the meantime been filed challenging the vires of Rule 15,
Yes.
which is directed to be listed, which is scheduled to be listed on 29/1/2024 before the appropriate bench. Full stop. Para. Also heard Ms. R. Basar, the Learned State Council, comma, Mr. Parking for?
In the writ petition, I am for 5 to 8.
On 29th, I will be making the prayer. So far as his clients are concerned, we are not seeking any relief
We are
against
just
them.
recording
Very
the
well.
name. D. Parking and Sri L. Parme.
I am for 22 to
Learned
40.
Counsel for appearing for the respondents.
Private.
Full stop. Sri Parme has in fact raised serious objections to the present petition for amendment and has also contended that it has been filed only with the intention to get the interim order extended. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, comma, in the interest of justice, registry is directed to list this case on 29/1/2024 along with WPC 24 of 2024, which is directed to be listed on the said date.
Okay.
Before the Honorable Division Bench. Before the Division Bench.
My lord, I hope interim order continues till 29th in any
Yes,
case,
yes.
automatically.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, I have serious.
29, Monday.
My lord, what I,
Heavens are going to fall.
my lord, that, my lord, that, my
Till
lord.
29.
Now, my humble submission, did it become a subject matter of division based? If interim is continue.
Where is your IS for vacating?
Not I, my lord, that I am, my lord, I would pray for my lord.
My lord, they have filed a writ appeal. They have filed a writ appeal assailing the interim order.
We have not even heard the interim order. Balance of equity will need extension till Monday. We'll reconsider on Monday. Why are you so serious?
My lord, for that, my lord, I need to file. Now, why, What, my lord?
You file whatever you want. Monday we are fixing.
My lord,
Next.
my play, my lord.
I for
My lord, IAS, one is, IA number 9 is for the striking out a name, and then I number 10 is for implement. My lord, we want to file objection to that. That IA, my lord. So I will seek that, I will pray for 2 weeks to file the objection
yes,
to that.
idea.
Yes, Lordship.
You want yourself to be impeded,
Lordship, I am for striking of the name.
striking off
Yes.
your name.
Yes.
You are a respondent.
I am petitioner.
Petitioner.
Petitioner in 439.
You are the petitioner. How many petitioners are there
There are
initially?
92 writ petitioners.
You want your name to be struck off.
Yes, in this applicant.
How can you object?
No, my lord, in this matter, what?
Can you force somebody to file a case or continue with a litigation? It's
No, even,
interrogative.
my lord, even for striking also, it is only filed by 38 petitioners.
Yes.
They are filed on behalf of 91 petitioners, my lord.
No. Only those who have filed the wakalat nama, only those will consider.
Not only.
And then pass orders. How many wants to withdraw?
38 applicants.
38.
38, if it is,
38. Not for all.
Yes.
well, as per the information, my lord, because this is related to land acquisition.
Your information is not material. If they want to withdraw somebody, we will not. There is no requirement of this court to.
So
hear
then, my
the
lord,
petition.
it may be taken on Monday, my lord.
Why?
Because there is some
He wants to
objection,
withdraw a case. How can you refuse?
there's some, in some, but as per
How can
information,
you force somebody to file a case or continue with a case, Mr. Mao? Where is the logic? Tell us. Can you force somebody to be in the court?
because there is a problem in the land acquisition process.
Maybe.
Land
He
has
doesn't
been,
want, he
land-
doesn't want to proceed. Sorry.
Third.
Third. Sri K. Lolan. Learned counsel for the applicant. Applicants. Full stop. The applicants who are 38 in numbers were amongst the writ petitioners, amongst the 100, how many?
92 writ petitioners.
Amongst 91 writ petitioners.
91.
91 writ petitioners. And by this application, the applicants want, who does not, has submitted that they do not want to pursue with the writ petition, and accordingly, their names are prepared to be struck off, full stop. Also heard Sri N. Ratan, Learned AAG, permit for
I have filed, for implicit respondent, my lord.
Mr. Kamduk for land management.
Yes, sir.
D. Kamduk for Learned Standing Council Land Management, full stop. 3. Asma, Learned Council for
petitioners, my lord, rest of the petitioners, my lord. My lord, they have made as a response, I think, this one, the respondent, my lord, maybe.
rest of the petition has been.
Because
Okay.
we are the petitioners in the writ petition 439, my lord.
Another writ petition.
Yes, on the writ petition.
No, the same.
I mean, same
petitioner,
repetition, but then they have filed
amongst-
IA.
Amongst the initial 91, 38 wants to.
They want to withdraw, my lord.
Then you,
I am for the rest of the petitions, my lord.
have you filed wakalatnama?
Yes, my lord.
Also,
Well-
Sri S. Mao, Learned Counsel, who submits that he has been given power to appear on behalf of the remaining writ petitioners.
Petitioners, my lord.
And he has also objected to the prayer in the IA, full stop para. This court is, however, of the opinion that a litigant cannot be forced to continue with a particular litigation. Full stop. In view of the above, comma, the instant IA is allowed, and the applicants within bracket 38 in numbers who were arrayed as petition number 1 to 38.
No, Lordship. Petitioner, writ petitioner number
Numbers have been given.
88, numbers have been specifically mentioned.
Who are
88,
arrayed as petitioner's number.
88,
No, you give the in a slip.
yes,
Where is it written here?
yes.
Which paragraph?
Lordship. In post title.
I get the cost title. Cost title.
Post title.
So and so are are struck off from the array of parties, full stop.
Yes.
It is however clarified that for the sake of simplicity, comma, the serial numbers of the writ petitioner is not required to be changed.
And I,
I can disposed of. Your I for
10, my lord, 10, my lord.
for
For implead, my lord, as a respondent number 927, 179, my lord. My lord, implement, my lord, we want to file objection, my lord.
Here you can give.
Yes.
Third three L permit learned counsel for the applicants who are 159 in number.
My lord,
160.
160 total, my lord. We want to be a respondent.
116 were 116 numbers and praised for implement as party respondents in the connected WPC 439 AP 2022 full stop para 3 ESMA Learned Council for the writ petitioners opposite party writ petitioners pray for and is granted 3 weeks time to file objection affidavit. Full stop. Para. List of the 3 weeks.
my lord, in the main writ petition, my lord has seen some of the writ petitioners they are withdrawing, some are impleading as respondents. Petitioner number 1, he is heading all these things and he is obstructing the construction of the road. My lord may just observe the direct that petitioner number 1 not to obstruct the construction of.
That we cannot.
No, no,
we have to
that-
file an application.
Yes,
My lord, that of course should
You
have
file
been
an application or put it on record, we'll pass orders. Let him file of the next date you for 3 weeks. And if you want urgent orders, you can file an IA, refer an order.
just observation.
And you already state, how can us individual obstruct?
Yes, of course, my lord. Then
My
what
lord-
is the petitioner in that is claiming
This,
compensation,
this
but
kind of prayers come from an individual that the state is obstructing.
Yes,
State
my
is
lord.
saying one person is obstructing.
yes, my lord, that is.
My lord, if I
He is,
narrate the story, then there will be,
We don't have time to hear story.
there will be.
But it appears that you are a very powerful person.
Yes. That's what they have played, my lord. That's what they have played. Without acquisition, they have paid a compensation, my lord. That is the situation in this writ petition, my lord.
Okay, next.
Right.
Yes, Mr. Tagu,
My lord.
for
This is for correction, my lord. Actually, as per order dated 22, my lord, it was matters list on 22, my lord. And it was supposed to be listed as per order, my lord, on 24, my lord. But order, my lord, later on I obtained order, it was wrongly reflected as a 5th February, my lord. So,
Yes, what do you say?
I have no objection regarding date
was-
fixation
it
notice.
was motion, my lord.
No, no, if no file, issuing notice will not, it's only for a correction of a date.
Yes,
And fixed for more, my lord, it was,
Oh, this court has passed orders.
my lord. This was wrongly, my lord, the derivative typographical mistake, my
A
lord.
prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Mr. G. Tarak, who stated to be also as prayed for this on 5-2. What is your problem now?
My lord, it was because, my lord, it's a tender matter, my lord. So it
When
was.
do you want?
My lord, yesterday I prayed for my lord, unlisted, my lord. So this has come up, my lord. Therefore, since there's a specific date has been mentioned, my lord. That's why for correction, my lord, instead of 5th, my lord, maybe list on 29, my lord, Monday.
29? You're for the petitioner.
My lord,
Part 3. Learned counsel for the applicant, writ petitioner, who by means of this application has prayed for a modification of the order dated 22/1/2024, by which the matter was fixed for consideration on 5/2/2024. Full stop. He submits that the subject matter involves a tender process and there is extreme urgency, and prays for rescheduling the matter to 29
My lord.
1 2024. Full stop. Also heard with G. Tarak, learned standing counsel, RWD, who does not have serious objection to the said prayer. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, comma, the I instead I stands allowed, and the writ petition may be listed on 29/1/2024.
My lord, for motion, my lord. Motion mistake,
For motion.
my lord.
Okay.